let's go. Seatbelt on?
It is, yeah.
Sure?
It is.
100% because
It is. I'm 100% on the seatbelt.
Fast, mate.
Right. You're not going fast. Don't even try to go fast, Sean. Seesaw. Seesaw. So that's too much of a fucking seesaw, Sean! Just still too much of a seesaw, Sean. Put your foot on the fucking clutch. You've stalled it anyway. Ah!
You just
Take it. Put.
Right,
Stop.
the clutch.
Stop. Stop.
Stop making me laugh.
I'm not trying to make you laugh, Sean. I'm trying to survive.
You're making me really
I'm trying
laugh.
to fucking survive. Turn the car on. Right. Just don't. Oh,
what am I doing then?
You put the window wipers on. For what reason?
Because it's really rainy.
Right. Now, foot on the clutch.
It's already there.
Into first gear. And a small, don't even, just on the cusp. Just the cusp. Just little. That's too much. Too much. Little. Turn the wheel. That's enough turning of the wheel. No, don't do that. That's not funny. That's not funny. Right, brilliant. Stop. No, it's not funny. It's not funny at all. It's not funny, Sean. It's not funny. Oh, shit.
Oh, crying. Oh, I'm going to die.
Stop. Into second. Concentrate. Concentrate. The concentration is dwindling.
Yes.
We need to concentrate on this.
A little bit more.
No, there's a fucking corner.
Yeah, I can see it. God, I'm partially deaf at that. Shut my soul. Are we going around the corner, yeah?
No, we're just this speed. Just this speed. So we're just like, keep going, just slowly. We just want to make sure that nothing is coming round the corner. Oh my God, my heart. And if you just like to pull in to the right here, pull into the right, pull into the right, pull into the fucking right.
And then...
And put your clutch down on the brake and stop.